Have you ever faced the frustration of searching for your wallet when you're in a hurry? You swear you put it in its usual spot, but it's not there. If you can relate, then this video is for you. So I did some research and I found an alternative to the AirTag that's credit card sized. So I tried the ATUVOS SlimTag model, this one, which was discounted on Amazon for around 25 bucks. There are several options available, so you don't have to get this one specifically, but I decided to give it a try. Spoiler alert, it works quite well. In this video I will unpack it, set it up and test it to see if it's worth buying. So let's get right into it. Alright, there's not much in this package, but frankly you don't need more. It's compact and it fits perfectly in my wallet, as you can see right now. Before I show you how to set it up, a quick disclaimer: I really needed one of these, so I bought it on Amazon myself. No one sponsored this video or gave me anything for free. I just think it can be very useful for you too. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking it. Thank you so much. That said, let's configure this flat credit card air tracker, but not here. I will take it outside so we can perform a test right afterwards. Well, I'm back at my favorite spot here, but let's get back to setting up the ATUVOS SlimTag AT2204. First of all, this device is only compatible with Apple devices, iPhones, iPads and MacBooks. It won't work with Android. Sorry about that. However, the good news for Apple users is that it works seamlessly with the Find My app, which comes natively on your Apple device. In my case, I will demonstrate it on the iPhone later on. This means you can use the app to locate your wallet visually on a map or via a continuous beep sound after it is coupled with your Apple ID. If you are not familiar with the Find My app function, here's a brief explanation. Even when your phone is disconnected from your SlimTag card, it just needs another Apple device in its surrounding and the location will be updated. This is because it is recognized through Apple's network, ensuring security. But there are some trade-offs when you're using a third-party device though. One of them is that it's not possible to use the real-time Bluetooth finding function, where the app shows you an arrow to indicate the direction and distance to the object. While that's a nice feature to have, the more important functionality for me is the ability to play a sound, and this tracker does that perfectly, as you already briefly saw in the intro. Alright, to set it up, open the My Find app on your iPhone and go to Items. Make sure Bluetooth is activated on your device, otherwise it won't be recognized. Then take the ATUVOS card and press the button once to activate and then start the connection process. Tap on Other supported items. After that, it should appear immediately in your app. Awesome, click Connect. Now give it a name. Let's call it Wallet. You can also add a suitable icon to it. I will label it with a banknote icon to signify my wallet. The setup is done and you can see your card on the map shown above the description. That's basically it. If you want to disconnect it, simply go to the detailed page by selecting your item, Scroll to the bottom and choose Remove Item. After that, you can connect it to another user account or another iPhone or iPad. If something doesn't work properly, you can also reset the card by pressing the button for more than 10 seconds. You will hear a loud beep and the card will reset to factory settings. However, before you do that, I recommend unlinking it from your Apple ID in advance. Alright, then I think let's go and test it. Good, back at the starting point. Our little car ride seemed to work quite well. The tracker was always visible, sometimes with a slight delay I would say, but no significant issues. Now let's conduct another test. I will place the tracker in a wallet and lose it somewhere next to the car. Then I will move away quite a bit so there are no direct connection anymore. It should notify me that the wallet is no longer in my vicinity and warn me that I've left it behind. Okay, now it popped up, but you cannot see it because it popped up on my watch, on my Apple Watch, that I lost my wallet here. And this test also worked very well. So let's go back and try to find it. So we are almost there. So let's see if we can find it when we play the beep sound. And found it. Stop it. All right, I think this test was successful. Oh, and if someone else finds it, it has a built-in NFC functionality. This means that when someone holds their phone to the SlimTag, it will show information to contact the owner, just like with an Apple AirTag. But no worries, privacy is built in, so it is secure. Okay, I think we're done here. Let's go back to the studio. Alright, back in the studio, and what can I say, I'm quite happy with the functionality of this little tracker card. Honestly, it's exactly what I was looking for, but there are also some downsides I must mention. The battery lasts up to 3 years, but it's not removable. This means as soon as it runs out of battery, you must replace and dispose of it. Not very sustainable. Even though it's thin, it's quite thick in comparison with a normal credit card, taking up space in your wallet. Additionally, the on-off button here can be hit accidentally, turning it off. This also applies if a thief takes it. It could be simply deactivated by a quick button press here. On the other hand, when you use an AirTag, it could be thrown away very easily as well, so for me not really a big difference here. My final conclusion: I will keep it and will not send it back. I will keep it in my wallet. Hopefully will never waste my time searching for it for a long time and being frustrated. Also, when I accidentally leave it at home or put it in a camera bag, for example, I can find it via the Find My app anytime as soon as another Apple device is in its surrounding. Well, that's it. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like it so you boost the YouTube algorithm a bit. Feel free to comment on this video down below if you have any questions or simply want to share your experience with this or a similar device. And if you stay a bit longer, you will see more videos from me, produced with love and only for you, so that you can continue watching them. That said, take care, stay healthy, and see you in the next one.